What's up, West Creek?
I'm John Cornett.
And I'm Jayden Fredrickson, and welcome to our first episode of Coyote Entertainment Television. Tune in every Friday to watch.
In today's episode, we're going to be talking to staff here at West Creek.
Let's get to it.
What is your role in the school?
So my job title is principal, but my role in the school is to do everything that's in my power to make the teachers' jobs easier to do their job.
I am the assistant principal and athletic director, meaning that I am here for main goal is for student achievement and increase student academic learning. And then I also work with the athletic programs and making sure they're eligible and can play.
Well, I guess first I'm an art teacher and then senior class sponsor. And right now temporarily filling in for Miss Fetterman, like holding the SGA stuffs together.
How long have you been at West Creek?
I'm going into my 4th year at West Creek.
I've been at West Creek 12, I think it is. I've been in education 32.
I don't remember if it's 11 or 12 years, but a very long time.
How has that experience been for you?
It's been wonderful. Every year gets better. Obviously, with any new job, new position, new building that you work in, the more years you go back to that place, the easier some things get. But then also, new challenges arise. But coming into our 4th year, it's been really great to see the staff come together and getting to know students year after year. And so when I came in, that group of freshmen, those students are seniors now. And so it's been awesome to see their growth and just excited to see all the things that they can accomplish in their senior year and hear their stories about where they're going and their next steps. And so it just gets better every year.
It's been good. I'm now seeing students of mine that are teaching and principals and in different positions. It's good to see them. They come back and visit and tell me how they're doing. And I enjoy that. It's very rewarding.
And then what advice would you give to new teachers in the school?
So for people that were either new to education or new to our building, I always just encourage them, to get involved, go to the plays, go to the concerts, go to the ball games. Students love to see their teachers there. It gives you another thing to talk about with students and help build those relationships. It's fun to be part of a school community and part of the culture. And so I always encourage that piece. Obviously, if you're new to education, it's a new thing, and so your first year is probably going to be one of your more challenging years. But just to keep coming back every day with a smile on your face. You're going to encounter a lot of students. Some students are going to push you to your limits in your patience and stuff, but other students are going to fill your bucket up and make you realize this is the best job that you've ever could have chosen.
This school and this district, there's no way to fail unless you're not trying. So if you're a new teacher, you will have all the support in the world. People are there to help you and look out for you.
Be as involved as you can. I think when students see you doing things like going to games, it gives another layer of connection to your students. It lets them know that you are a person and that you kind of respect what they're doing. You don't have to go to everything because that's impossible, but even showing up for halftime, it really does make a difference.
What advice would you give to new students coming to West Creek?
Be where you're supposed to be, do what you're supposed to do, and listen the first time, and you won't have any trouble.
There's just so many things that you can do in these 4 years, and if you don't take advantage of them, you blink and those 4 years have gone by. So it goes by really quick. So just get involved, make those connections, get outside your comfort zone a little bit. Obviously, come to school, do your work, listen to your teachers, all the usual things.
You get what you put in. So if you don't go to games or dances, if you don't get involved with a club or something, if you're not involved, you're not going to get anything back. So find your space, find your niche, find your people, and get involved with the school.
Thank you, Nevaeh. It's great to see so many familiar faces around the building.
I'm very delighted to meet them.
Chill out. Don't freak out.
Are you anxious?
If you're struggling with the feelings of uneasiness or nervousness, watch this PSA on anxiety.
Hi, I'm Nevaeh Darr, a senior here at West Creek, and just like you, I've also had experiences with anxiety. It's not something that is easily dealt with, but there are ways to cope. You may be experiencing these feelings if you're new to school, have a rough home life, or just overworked. Here are some helpful tips for you when facing anxiety. Breathing exercises are used to calm the mind and help ease anxiety. One of the easiest exercises you can do is 4-7-8 breathing. You inhale through the nose for a count of 4, hold for 7, and then exhale slowly through the mouth for 8. You can do this exercise whenever you're feeling stressed. It is very easy to do and will allow you to calm down. Some other ways to deal with anxiety are by getting enough sleep and staying active. And some studies suggest that nearly 1 in 5 adolescents report symptoms of anxiety. If you have experienced anxiety throughout your life, just know that you're not alone and there are many ways to get help.
Well, I'm not anxious anymore. Are you?
Not at all. That was super helpful.
In other news, we had our first home game tailgate last Friday.
It was super fun. There was free food and drinks.
Unfortunately, we lost the game, but we all had a good time.
Well, let's see what it looked like. That looked like a blast.
I wish I could have gone.
Well, I'm Cornett.
And I'm Jayden Fredrickson. And we'll see you next time, West Creek.